Get the changer and the 5 mount screws supplied in the kit. Set the changer in the cutout with the pull fingers hanging straight down and contacting the wood of the cabinet. Take your time and get everything centered and square. Double check everything. This is important. Pre-drill and install the 5 mount screws. Make sure the fingers are free to swivel. Lay the neck in place and make sure it's straight and square. Make sure it is butted up to the changer. Fasten it down with 3 drywall screws supplied in the kit. Make sure that those screws are flush to the fretboard surface. Get the key head from the kit. If the tuners are not already installed in it, now is the time to do so. It is very important to pre-drill the holes for the small screws. Do not try to force them in. The screws can break and damage the key head. If you have got this far, then you've done a good job. Get the 6 mount screws from the kit. Make sure the key head is square and flush to the neck. Pre-drill the holes for the mount screws. Install the 6 screws. Now for the pickup, mount screws and foam riser. Drill the holes in the pickup mount with a 3/32 bit. Check to make sure that the screws will slide through the holes. Set the pickup in place and square it up, then pre-drill the screw holes in the wood with a 5/64 bit. Drill a 1/8 inch hole in the wood as shown for the pickup wire to feed through. Mount the pickup with the 2 screws. Place the arch stick over the changer fingers and the roller nut at the key head. Adjust the pickup screws until the thickness of 2/4 is achieved. Solder the wires onto the output jack. Get the fretboard sticker from the kit. Place the top line of the sticker parallel to the roller nut axle and nip it with your scissors at the edge of the key head. It is important to get this cut correctly. Cut it off. It should look like this. Place a long ruler or yardstick right even with the roller nut axle. Check to see that it reads 12 inches at the 12th fret as shown here. Okay, here's where you got to be real careful and get this thing right. Get it all straight. As you can. I got a little bit of that. Oops, I'm crooked. See, I got a little bit of it, the sticky stuff exposed. I'm trying to get this thing centered. I think that's pretty good right there. Yeah, this needs to go that way just a little bit. Right there. Man, I think that's pretty good. Then you start pulling this one off, smoothing this as you go. Hopefully I'll get it right. There. Now you take a towel, I guess I got some of my mounting screws are a little bit high, but there's nothing I'm going to do about that now. Now, start pulling this paper off. Keep working at it slow so you can get all this off of there. Now, once you take that out there, it'll look so good that you'll be the king of the honky tonk. Read the instruction sheet that comes in the kit and install the correct gauge strings for this steel guitar. Here's how the strings are attached to the pull fingers. Now would be a good time to call Jimmie Hudson at 704-796-8929. Order your Eagle pedal steel guitar kit today.